guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have this Japan ramen box to share with you. So this is exactly as the name suggests, a box of ramen from Japan, and it's $20 a month for 4 packages of ramen, or you can go up to 12 packages of ramen for $50 a month, and it is from Japan, so it takes a couple of weeks to get to you. And I know I've reviewed ramen boxes in the past and people freak out at the price, like, oh, but I can buy ramen for 25 cents. Yeah, sure, but that's the crappy ramen. If you want good and fun and interesting ramen, it's more expensive. I mean, even now ramen has become popular, and if you go to Ralph's or whatever, they have better, more expensive ramen than your typical 25-cent ramen. So anyway, I think it is well worth the price. I love fun ramens, and this box is definitely interesting. They will send you some interesting things. Evidently, Japan has more than 2,000 different types of ramen, which is pretty amazing. So every box is going to be fun and different and unique. So I'm going to eat my lunch right now. I have some hot water in this bowl of ramen. This is like your typical, you know, cup of noodle style. Just add hot water and then let it sit for 5 minutes. But while that is warming up, I'm going to show you what else I got in the box. Okay, so they give you this paper that has some information about the company, the box, and then they give you a URL as well as a QR code that you can, so that you can use that to look up the information about your box. So one of them will tell you about the ramen, where it came from, the style of ramen, that sort of thing, and then the other one gives you the actual instructions, because everything on here is in Japanese. Also, I think it's funny, it was packaged with a Japanese newspaper. I don't know, I just thought that was kind of cute. Okay, so this is what I got in my box. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, I actually posted about this one on Instagram. I was eating it for lunch. I wish I could tell you the name of this, but it was really, really good. Definitely cup of noodle style, right? You just add hot water, and it was so delicious. So I got this one, 3 packages of ramen, and these are all different styles. Like, these have really skinny noodles, you can see from the picture. These ones look more like your typical ramen. I don't remember. I think this one is like a seafood flavor. And then you have 2 of these just add water bowls. So I have this one, and then this one, the one that I'm actually going to eat today, is a black ramen. So let me read you the information. Okay, so this is Toyama Black Ramen. Hailing from the Toyama Prefecture of Japan, Toyama Black Ramen is true to its name. It's actually black. The strong pepper taste is sure to fill every available space in your mouth and make you want to take another bite to prolong the flavor adventure. If you can handle a bit of spicy ramen, you'll enjoy slurping this special ramen straight from Japan. So when I first dumped the packets in it, because it says it came with like 2 packets, you put those in, and then the liquid packet it says to put on top to warm it up, and then after you wait 5 minutes, you'll put this in. So it's been about 5 minutes. It is not black yet. I'm wondering if the liquid that I'm about to put in is black. But I can tell you that as soon as I put the hot water in, I could smell the pepper. It just smells like black pepper. So one of the things was this dried little, I don't know if that's pork or fish or what, I have no clue. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the liquid packet as carefully as I can. Okay, that's where the black comes from. Mostly smells like soy sauce, I don't know what it is. Okay. Well, this is interesting. It's definitely dark. But I love it. I love trying new, interesting, strange foods, you know what I mean? So I think this is a really fun box. It smells good. Oh, it's hot. Mmm. Oh, that's really good. It's not too spicy, honestly. I mean, there's a little bit of spice, but not a lot. Definitely black pepper flavor, but it also just has a really wonderful flavor to it that I have no idea what that is, but it tastes delicious and I love it. That's really yummy. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box where you can get this awesome ramen box if you are a fan of ramen. you should definitely get this because it's great. Like I said, this one was amazing. This one is super good. I can't wait to try the other ones. Every month you'll get surprise box, so you might not love all of them, but it's always fun to try new things, right? All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!